In today's topic, we would be discussing Nigeria, agriculture. Agriculture is defined as the cultivation of crops and the rearing of animals for man's use. Types of agriculture. A. Plantation, mechanized agriculture. It requires commercial cultivation, in which products are mainly for sale. It requires a large area of land. It usually involves the cultivation of perennial crops like cocoa, rubber, oil palm, etc., and is practiced mostly in the south. B. Subsistence agriculture. Produce from subsistence agriculture is mainly for family consumption. It requires a small area of land. It involves the cultivation of many crops at a time, that is, mixed cropping. C. Mixed farming. This system involves the cultivation of crops as well as the rearing of animals on the same piece of land. Crops mainly grown are rice, maize, yam, cassava, etc., while animals reared may be cattle, sheep, poultry, etc. It usually requires a small area of land which is intensively cultivated. D. Intensive agriculture. This can be referred to as market gardening or truck farming. This is mainly practiced in thickly populated urban areas. It requires a small area of land which is intensively cultivated throughout the year. E. Crop rotation. This involves the rotation of crops in sequence year after year to maintain the fertility of the soil. 3 to 5 different crops can be grown on the same piece of land but on different plots. Deep-rooted crops, e.g., yam, are followed by a shallow-rooted crop like maize during rotation. F. Shifting cultivation. It involves the movement of the farmer and his family from one piece of land to another when the land is no longer fertile. Simple farm tools and family labor are employed. Forest resources are destroyed. G. Pastoral farming. It is also referred to as nomadic herding. It involves the rearing of only animals like cattle, sheep, and goats. It involves the constant movement of cattle and herdsmen called Fulani from one place to another in search of pasture and water for the animals. Importance of agriculture. Provision of food. Employment. Source of income. Problems of agriculture. Inadequacy of funds, finance. Poor transport network. Inadequate storage and processing facilities. Solutions to the problems. Loans should be given to the farmers. Roads should be constructed to link rural areas with urban centers. Storage and processing facilities should be provided at a reduced rate. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.